Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to your ThinkPad. First, make sure your Sony headphones are fully charged and in pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Next, power on your ThinkPad and ensure its Bluetooth functionality is enabled. Keeping your headphones within 1 foot of your ThinkPad during this initial setup will help ensure a smooth connection process. Now let's get your ThinkPad ready. Open your Windows settings, which you can find by clicking the Start button. From there, navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices section. You'll see an option to Add Device. Click on this, and then select Bluetooth from the choices presented. Your ThinkPad will then begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices, including your Sony headphones, which should appear in a list shortly. Once your Sony headphones appear in the list of available devices on your ThinkPad, simply click on their name to initiate the pairing. You might see a prompt on your ThinkPad to confirm the pairing, and sometimes your headphones will also give an audible confirmation. After a few moments, your ThinkPad will indicate that your headphones are paired and ready for use, allowing you to enjoy your audio wirelessly. If you encounter any issues, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, toggle your ThinkPad's Bluetooth off and then back on. If your headphones still don't appear, consider resetting them to their factory settings, which can often resolve connectivity glitches. Also, ensure your Sony headphones are not already connected to another device, like a smartphone, as they typically connect to only one device at a time. These steps should help you establish a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.